Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back for another Locksport update. Thank you for joining me on this week's Locksport update. This is a fun little video series that I made just to try to update everybody on what I'm working on and what the community's working on, and I hope this will serve as a great area for you to share everything. If you'd like to share anything for next week's Locksport update or just start a discussion, please leave some comments in the comment section below, and I'd love to check them out and see the discussion that the community can start. So starting off with this week's Locksport update, I just want to go over a few things that I have been up to. One thing that I'm working on now is I'm trying to get back into making some more of my lockpicking homeschool videos. If you're not already familiar with them, I'll put a link up to the playlist here. This is a video series that I started last year where it teaches you how to pick locks from zero experience and hopefully up to an intermediate level. Up to this point it has gone through everything from what a lock is to how to pick spool pins. I'm going to slowly start transitioning to doing some different security pins like some serrated pins. And hopefully I will be able to finish this series up soon and I'll make a pretty cool announcement. Another thing that I got back recently was I got back this combination lock that you've seen featured in a few of my videos. You've seen this featured on how to open a combination lock when you have the combo. You have seen these combination locks featured in my video on how to decode them. But what happened is I got this lock from Speculator. It did not come with a key to the back. I reached out to the board lockpicker. Initially he sent me a key that was much too long that did not work, but it did have the right bitting. I tried filing off the end, but I had already bent it so much that it wasn't going to work. So I sent this lock back to the board lockpicker because he was willing to check it out. And what he did was he cut a new key, except this time on the key he only cut the bitting from 2 to 5, so the first cut is not utilized at all. This is a key blank that is too long. It's a 5-pen key blank, and we really need a 4-pen key blank, but he's not able to find any blanks that will fit. So what happened is that we just cut from the 2 key pen. Now it sticks out a little bit, but it works really well. How we got this key made was really cool, is he was able to go on a website that had the bitting code listed and the blank that you needed. And granted, it did give a blank that was a little bit too long. It did work. And I just think that's really cool that you're able to find the bitting codes to these locks. It's cool, but also a little concerning. But I just want to say, Board Lockpicker, thank you so much. He has a really cool channel where he does a lot of locksmithing and a lot of lockpicking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check him out. He is really worth checking out and subscribing to. And another thing is he has multiple channels. He has Russ J02. It is a really cool channel where he goes over a lot of product reviews and stuff. He does some lockpicking. He does not always focus on lockpicking on that channel, but he's been continually trying to grow it up to 1,000 subscribers. And if you like his channel, you'll probably like his other channel. And I'll put a link up on the top here. He's really trying to help grow that, and if anyone would like to check it out, he would really appreciate it. So this has been a really cool lock to get back in. Another thing that I recently did was I went over to my local locksmith. I wanted to get all the door hardware congruent on my lock. I had a mix of Schlage and quickset locks, and I just wanted to be able to work off of one key. So I went down to Dependable Lock Service and I talked over to one of the people that worked there. I'm not sure if he was the owner or not, but he seemed like he must have been. I let him know that I have a YouTube channel. I'm really interested in locks. I make no claim to being a locksmith, but I just find the hobby very interesting. So I was able to pick up some used door locks from him. It was really cool because they were all new old stock, and I was able to rekey them myself and save a lot of money. You'll be able to see the video that I posted earlier this week where I was raking them open and getting them ready for a rekey, which I'll put a link up on the top here. That was a lot of fun to do. So what I'm going to do is show you some of the extras that I got when I went over there. He was happy to see that I was passionate about locks and wanted to spread some of the wealth. So I'm just going to go grab those locks right now. So the first thing that he was able to give me was these 2 master locks. These 2 master locks come with a disc detainer core, which is really cool. he said that they haven't been too popular around here, but I hope to start picking some disc detainer locks more frequently. I am still waiting on my pick that I ordered about a year and a half ago. I'm very patient, and I am supposed to be getting it relatively soon. I'm not exactly sure, but that will be really cool to work on it. But these are some disc detainer master locks, which is something you don't see very often. He was able to sell these to me for $4 a piece, and I was pretty happy with that because that is a pretty cool lock. Another thing that he was able to send me, or give me, I mean, were just some basic locks. This looks like it's a warded lock. It says it's a disc tumbler mini laminated padlock, but I'm pretty sure that that's just a warded lock. He gave me some more master lock warded locks. These all look like they're new old stock, and you know, that is pretty cool. And Bill, thank you very much for all your kind thoughts and trying to make this a really fun transaction for me. I really did enjoy checking out your store, and you have a lot of cool stuff set up there. We have another warded lock here. This one has a whole mounting setup, which is pretty cool. Then I have several of these really small master lock number 3s, I presume. They are pretty cool. I guess these are master lock number 7s. And the keyway on these are just so small that just picking the lock is just going to be a nuisance. I don't know, this one might be broken or something. This is not going back in very easily, but that is just such a small keyway. But the key does operate it decently well. Then he gave me just 3 more of these. These are some really cool small little master locks. But I am pretty happy to have them. I'll probably include these in a giveaway down the road, and I'm just really happy to have these for now. It was a very generous thing. He didn't need to do that. I was just there to get some stuff for my house, but I was really glad to see that he was able to do that. And there's one lock in particular I'm looking for here, which was this one right here, the Master Lock 1-Up. You've seen these videoed in some other channels. This is the Master Lock where you bring your own key and you hit it with a hammer, and it's all one pen, and it will shear the pen. You'll have the perfect bitting, and you'll be able to key it yourself. It's not a perfect system, but it's a pretty cool system. And this is the Master Lock 1-Up. It's a really cool thing, and I was pretty happy he was able to give it to me. You can see how the cylinder comes out a little bit. And I also saw the biggest Master Lock padlock I've ever seen he had there. That thing was gigantic. It was probably about this big. But enough about this. I am just very happy. Thank you, Bill, over at Dependable Lock Service, for being able to sell me what I needed for a good price and being able to work with me trying to find exactly what I was looking for. Thank you for including a few free locks. That was really generous of you, and I really appreciate it. And thank you for just being a nice guy. So the next thing I'd like to do is I'm going to now move on to some of the stuff the community's been working on. So this is exciting. In the last LockSport update, LockMania was able to share that he has now picked open his first 6-pin lock. He has really been working very hard on it, and he is just very excited to do it. He's been able to get the pick down very quickly. When you do work on the same lock over and over, you do start to develop a little bit of a muscle memory. I do recommend you work on more locks with the same keyway so you can really start to hone that skill. But LockMania, really, congratulations on that milestone. That is a big accomplishment. And I'm going to put a clip of the video up right now so you can see him picking that lock.
Hey guys. This video was not one I had planned to make, but I really want to, because this is my first 6-pin lock I have picked open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there we go, guys.
One other thing LockMania is starting to work on is he's starting to work on some lever locks. He's made his own set, and I'll show you a picture of some of the picks that he has made right now. And he is also waiting on getting a set from Andy Mack. So I just want to say that Andy Mack is a really great guy and makes a really great set, and I cannot wait to get my set from him as well. Chris Capuin, he's doing a really good thing. He's been really working on his channel. He's been fun to watch grow. And he's been working on some Euro cylinders, some challenge locks, but one of the videos I saw him make recently was he picked one of the round body brass American padlocks. I always find those very beautiful. I really like seeing people work on them, and I'll show a quick clip of him opening up that lock.
Hi there, Chris here. I have this round American lock with a long shackle on it. I really like these locks. And a little click off one. And we have it open. I believe that was 4.
Another cool channel that I didn't know about until my last LockSport update, which is Rookie Lock. Rookie Lock is a pretty cool channel that is growing, and I just didn't realize all the cool locks that he has picked. He's definitely worth checking out. He's been working on a lot of cool locks. I'll show you a quick clip of him picking open a buy lock. That is a really cool lock, and let's take a quick look at him opening that up.
Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always, and I got something pretty special today for Stock Lock Sunday. Looks like just a regular 570 cylinder, but when you take a look at that keyway, it's a buy lock. This is the key I made for it. Still need to get some plastic to make a bow. Works really good, actually. Going to tension off of this side of the keyway since I'm turning clockwise, and I'm going to use this offset hybrid. Everything feels set, but I'm sure there's one that just needs to be pushed a little bit more. And there it is, number 1.
He said in the last LockSport update that he was working on opening up his Medico M3 on video, and since then he's finally gotten that on video. Congratulations on getting that lock open. Those are some pretty tricky locks, and I'm going to show you a quick clip of him opening up that Medico M3.
Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. Today I'm going to pick this Medico M3. I'm going to randomize the gates here. Can give us some trouble. It can reset everything. Oh, not this time though. Last pin to be picked was that mushroom.
And a few things that Rookie Lock mentioned is that he's been working on getting his ASA Twin 6K on video. I haven't seen him get that open yet. That's going to be a really great accomplishment, and just keep working on it and you'll definitely get there. He's also been working on manipulating some safe locks. He has an S&G 6741 that he's learning to work on, and I think it'd be really cool to see if we could see more people get into safe manipulation. Robert Wright, he commented on my last video, and I'll just show you a screenshot of his comment. It was just pretty funny. Essentially what he's saying is he saw my video on how to decode the dial combination locks, and he just got really into it after he saw that. Robert Wright, I'm really glad you enjoyed the video. I'm glad it helped you out, and just thank you so much for sharing. Another channel is Gordon W. He's been making a lot of cool challenge lock pens, which I'll put a picture up right now that you can take a look at. And he's also been working on a collaboration. He reports that Black Dolphin 90 has now finished his floating wafer pens. They're working on making a collaboration lock, and it sounds like this lock is going to be collaborated between them, and then they're going to hope that the community will add some pens to it as they go, is my understanding. He's also been working on picking a few Euro locks and a naughty challenge lock that Brass Pen Picker sent him, and he's been trying to have some success with that. And I just want to finish this up with this saying, congratulations to Timothy McBride. he reports that he is 1 month into the sport. I just want to say congratulations and welcome to the hobby. We are a really welcoming community. We really love to teach. We love to see people grow. And just check out all our resources. So if you have any questions on picking locks, feel free to ask me a question. Check out my lockpicking homeschool series and just look at all the resources we have. We have Reddit r/lockpicking. We have the Discord channels. We have the lockpicking detail overkill PDF. There's just so much great content out there for you to learn. I really encourage you to embrace it all and just try to pick a lock every day, and you'll be amazed where you'll be in 6 months. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been my Lock Sport update. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I really encourage you to share some more information for the next one. If you have anything that you've been working on, please share anything in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.